Hi, today I'm going to show you an additional video on Excel fill data dealing with various data series in a financial model. We're firstly going to cover data series examples applying numbers. So firstly, in this projected invoice transactions schedule, we want to be able to use the Excel fill down in a seamless fashion instead of having to do it manually. Clearly the Excel fill handle automatically fills down this series of data. Again, looking at this forecast sales growth for 5 years, by simply selecting the first 2 years, we can use the fill handle to seamlessly fill down. In the second example, I'm going to look at dates. So firstly, looking at the days of the week, firstly the short abbreviation of Monday, we can use the fill handle to fill down the other days of the week without fail. Again, with the full version of Monday, the Excel fill handle will be able to fill down all of these days of the week instead of having to type them manually. The same is the case for the months of the year. Instead of having to type in each month of the year, either shorthand or full version, the Excel fill handle will automatically fill down for this global sales breakdown schedule. It can even do it for quarterly sales, like so for January and April. It will automatically fill down to reflect the corresponding quarters. Sometimes we have to reflect a specific day of each month or by quarter, such as this interest rate schedule. Again, the Excel fill handle will be able to automatically fill down the page and achieve this chronological order. The same for this bi-monthly capital expenditure forecast. The Excel fill handle will be able to automatically do this and break it down bi-monthly. Again, looking at the month, firstly January 2015, then April 15 by quarter for the strategic plan of the EBIT percentage. The Excel fill handle will do this without fail. Finally, other built-in series inputs, such as the following: first meeting for actual director attendance, the Excel fill handle will be able to fill down the page as needed. Similarly, with product 1, instead of typing each product number, the Excel fill handle will be able to achieve this correctly. The same can be said for one time, such as 8 AM in the morning. For this timesheet, the Excel fill handle will be able to fill down the fashion that we need. And finally, for gold production forecast, the Excel fill handle will be able to achieve this by this quarter format. Hence the power of the Excel fill handle.